In this video, we will see how to connect your X or Twitter account to Make. You can create automatic Twitter posts by connecting Make to X. All links are provided in the description. To establish the connection, we will first create a custom application in X and then we will establish the connection in Make. Go to website developer.x.com and you can sign in if you already have an account, or click on this developer portal. If you don't have an account already, you can click on this sign up button. You can create a free account. Once you sign up, describe your Make use cases, select all checkboxes and click submit. After that, X automatically creates a project and an app within the project. We can see this is the project created by X, and then you have this project app also created by X. Select your app in the project and then under user authentication settings, click on this setup button. Then you will see this web page pop up. In app permissions, click on this radio button, read and write and direct message. In the type of app, select web app, automated app or bot. In the app info section, enter these details for callback URI / redirect URL. You need to provide these values, and under website URL, you need to copy and paste this value, and you can leave rest of the fields blank and then click on this save button. Then you will see a pop-up with the client ID and client secret values. Copy them and store them in a safe place. You can also find the client credentials in the keys and tokens menu option. Here it is, client ID and client secret. Here you will be able to see the client ID value and the client secret. If you need a new one, you need to regenerate again. Once you have client ID, client secret values stored somewhere, go back to your Make automation. You may see create a connection option here, or click on the add button here. You can give any name to your Twitter connection, paste the client ID and the client secret values, and then click on this save button. You have successfully created a connection to your X or Twitter module in Make. Bye until next video.